Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class organized by Shahid Cadet Academy main campus to Uttara Dhaka. I hope you have already completed construction 6 that was solved in the last class, and today online class will be on construction 7. Today's online class will be on construction 7 from the math book of class 6. Constructing a copy of a given angle. Constructing a copy of a given angle. Now we have to make a copy of a given angle. An angle is given, so we have to copy of it. Suppose given the angle A, here you can see an angle and it is angle A. You can see it is a given angle, so we have to make a copy of this angle. First, to make a copy of angle A, first draw a ray PQ. Now we have to draw a ray PQ. Now we are drawing a ray PQ. P Q. It's a ray and it is PQ. Now we draw. Next, place the compass at A and draw an arc of any radius to cut the rays of angle A at B and C. Now, place the compass at A. Now we want to draw an arc. Next, place the compass at A and we want to draw an arc of any radius. So, taking any radius, we can draw an arc. Now we can draw an arc of any radius. You can take any radius to draw an arc to cut the rays of angle A. There are two rays of angle A, and this arc cut the rays of A at B and C. These 2 points, it will be B and C. So it is at B and C. The rays of angle A at B and C. Then use the same compass setting. That means this same setting. Then use the same compass setting to draw an arc with P as the center. So we have to draw an arc with the same compass setting. We have to draw an arc. With P as the center. So P as the center. We have to draw an arc with the same compass setting. To draw an arc with P as the center. Cutting PQ at Q. So we have to Q at this point. We have to write Q at this point. Cutting PQ at Q. this PQ rays at Q. So we have to write Q at this point, Q. So it is Q. Now set the compass to length BC. So we have to take the measure of BC. This length we have to take BC. This is the measure of BC. This is the measure of BC. Now set the compass to the length BC and place the compass pointer at Q. Place the compass pointer at Q and draw an arc to cut the previous arc at A and draw. So we have to draw an arc. We have to draw an arc with the length of BC. With the length of BC, we have to draw an arc. Now we draw an arc at Q. Place the compass pointer at Q and draw an arc to cut the previous arc at R. So it will be previous arc and cuts at R. So it will be R. This R. Place the compass pointer at Q and draw an arc to cut the previous arc at R. So it is R. Now join PR. This point and this point we have to draw now. Now we have to join now. Join PQ. So we have to join PR. Now join PR. Now we have to join PR. This is P and this is R. Now we join PR. Now we join PR. Okay. Then we get an angle. By joining PR, now we get an angle. This gives us angle RPQ. We get an angle RPQ. And so angle RPQ is a copy of angle A. This angle RPQ is the copy of angle A. In this way, we can draw a copy of a given angle. In this way, we can draw a copy of a given angle. This construction 6 and 7 you have to complete for the next exam that will be held on Friday. So complete these two constructions properly to get good marks in the next weekly exam. Thanks everybody.